म्हणजे आपल्या आसपासची बातमी असेल आपणा सर्वांसाठीची. आपण पाहत आहात 7 मराठी न्यूज.
Started EOI on the 3rd of July, and school will begin in the month of June next year. Building is already under construction. Today is our inauguration of the school office, and that is open now for anybody to come and visit, see what's happening, look at the school. DPS Pune East is backed by the legacy of DPS, and it is actually building on a lot of laurels that DPS has had over many years serving the country. With a lot of AI infused into the processes, it's building on technology. It's allowing children to learn with technology for the times of technology. It is going to have a great and competent team of teachers like every other DPS. And the vision of the school is to develop children with a success mindset and having unlimited possibilities. DPS is also known for academic excellence and primarily known for academic excellence, and that is what we aim to deliver here alongside relevance, rigor, reflection, and a lot of relationships. We deeply believe in really strong relationships with our parent community, student community, and the entire ecosystem. Shrutika ma'am is the principal who is leading DPS Pune East. Hear from you.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so I think what sets DPS apart, like today is East apart. What is when we spoke about relationships, we spoke about rigor, we spoke about reflections. All this goes on to building a personality of the child rather than focusing just on academics. Academics are definitely happening, and they are a byproduct. The main focus is the learner, and to make him emotionally sound so that he's very equipped to deal with every possibility that comes in his way as he grows up. So when we stand here, we take responsibility of the child to be ready and prepared for life rather than just be prepared for a board exam or degree. So preparation for life is the key here, and the mantra is the sound mind and sound body. So social emotional learning is the prime focus of DPS Pune East. Thank you.
I'll add a few things. So DPS also is known for some amazing achievements. Like one of our campuses last year was recognized as the world's best school, the top 10 under environment action. I don't know if people know about Aryan Shukla. Aryan Shukla today is the world's fastest mental calculator, and he's a student of one of our campuses. So जो जितने हमारे campuses हैं, they house numerous such champions, and these students are actually a direct image of what's happening inside the school. If you look at the major companies, a lot of startups doing very well, like Boat and some of these, the founder is actually a product of Delhi Public School, right? So you will notice that DPS is not just about what we are saying, but all of this is actually reflecting in our student body and their achievements.
And that's what I think is a perfect example of success mindset and unlimited possibilities, because we have the alumni, who are going places and achieving much more in life than what a school should be giving them. So I think we're perfectly aligned with our vision statement, which is success mindset and unlimited possibilities, which are opened up through all the exposure that they get in school, because school is the only place that can give this exposure to students.
Which are the new models will be run up?
So एक अच्छा और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बताता हूँ. So दगड़ू शेठ टेम्पल जो है, उसके पीछे एक कुआं है, which is एक हाउड है, which was called बाहुलीचा हाउड, जो पूरी तरीके से dilapidated situation में था. So when we started DPS Hinjewadi, our students in the first year actually worked on that haud, and वो एक 8 साल की लड़की की मेमोरी में बना हुआ था, और वो पूरी तरीके से ख़राब था, और वहाँ पे पार्किंग होती थी. तो जब हमारे बच्चों ने बहुत सारी कैंपेनिंग करी, so with that the municipality actually renovated the house and repainted it, redeveloped it, right? And what actually happened was जो विश्राम घोले जी हैं जिन्होंने अपनी बेटी की मेमोरी में वो बनाया था, उनकी सिस्टर की ग्रेट ग्रैंड डॉटर शी रीच्ड आउट टू अस सेइंग कि भाई हमने 14 साल तक कोशिश करा बट वो कभी भी हुआ नहीं, बट योर स्टूडेंट्स डिड इट, राइट? सो दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट जो हम बच्चों को सिखाना चाहते हैं कि समाज में अगर बदलाव आएगा तो वो बच्चों से आएगा, राइट? एंड दिस इज हाउ वी वर्क
quality of education.
यस
Thank you.
A very important piece in our school vision statement is success mindset. The right mindset. How do we provide that to the kids? क्योंकि आज की डेट में everything is available on YouTube. मैथ सीखना है, साइंस सीखना है, इंग्लिश सीखना है, सब कुछ YouTube पे अवेलेबल है. बट वो सही सोच बच्चे तक कैसे आनी चाहिए वो कहीं अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो बच्चा वो सोच कैसे ले ले, दैट इज़ आवर बिगेस्ट पीस. और उसी को लेकर के हम इस स्कूल की भी स्थापना कर रहे हैं. मैम हेयर इज़ द प्रिंसिपल लर्नर एंड मैम विल बी लीडिंग द कैंपस एट पुणे ईस्ट.
Can you talk about the EOI you've started and the academic year will be 27?
सो हमने लगभग 3 तारीख से EOI चालू किया है. EOI इज़ एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. और जो हमने हिंजेबड़ी में भी जो प्रैक्टिस करी थी एंड वी सॉ ट्रिमेंडस डिमांड इन दैट साइड ऑफ द सिटी. And the same thing we are seeing in this side of the city. There's a lot of expansion happening for the city toward this side. There's a lot of यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे villages भी merge हुए, बहुत सारा नया development भी आ रहा है. And we are so expression of interest is basically आप एक 900 के आसपास एक अमाउंट 990 आई थिंक डाल करके आप एक अपना इंटरेस्ट देते हो. And then there is a lottery mechanism that will happen in the month of September. तो उसमें जिन families का नाम निकलता है, they will be able to take admission in Delhi Public School, Pune East. DPS जैसे आप सबको पता है, it started in 1941. It is a very old institution. उस समय 1941 में before independence जब चालू हुआ था, it was called the नवीन भारत स्कूल. और 1947 में it was called Delhi Public School, and the first school was in Mathura Road, Delhi. And today there are more than 290 schools in India and across the world. Right? So it is known for its quality education. At Pune East, what we are looking to create is the same, quality education that DPS is known for. And आज का जो
एक मिनट, तुम्हें आगे